This is a 2005 Camry. It's got some emissions code. One of them is 2238, P02238. So I decided to, I know I could probably do a continuity test on this air to fuel ratio or oxygen sensor in the front here. But what I decided to do was just replace it because it was only like 50 bucks, you know, from Rock Auto. So what I did to make this easier was first you take off this cover, and there's actually two bolts, one there, 10 millimeter. You loosen those, and then you can expose the connector here better. And then what I got was a screwdriver that you put back here, a short stubby screwdriver. You push in back here, and then you can pull out the connector. And then this one just loosens. You press and it loosens. And then to get that guy, I'm not going to touch it right now because it's hot. They actually make a socket for these, just for oxygen sensors. They make like a stubby short one. Get the long one, so that in this case you can put it all the way on there and not have to take this thing off. A lot of the videos show people taking this off and loosening that bolt. You don't have to do that. You get this. Again, I think I got this from Amazon, 10 bucks. And then it recesses and goes all the way in there, and that allows you to get the oxygen sensor plug or air fuel sensor plug, whatever you want to call it. And if it's tight, which it was, you get a pipe, put it on the end of the socket, and that gives you more leverage, and you'll be able to crack it loose. So somebody else made a video on changing it. They took this off. I'm just trying to help everybody. It makes it easier if you get that deeper socket. And then, like I said, here, this was kind of tight. Get a small flathead screwdriver, kind of like for a computer. If you work on computers, shove it back there, right in there. I don't know if we can see that right in there. That's like it's like a, you press it in, it holds it, and it's like a snap-in connector. You hear a snap. So again, I hope this helps somebody.